are many people that make men of God hate each other. They can just wake up and write a story, a false one, falsehood, follow falsehood. This, Uebert Angel, me.
They don't.
Invite who?
They don't know.
No, you
Never.
don't play around. I am a student of Pastor Chris.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Sir.
A very, very astute student of Pastor Chris.
Right.
That's right.
I glean everything that he says, and I don't have time for anything else. But if I too many times.
Yeah.
And he has honored Prophet Uebert.
Yes.
The same Uebert who said, in all my life, I've not seen anyone operating in this prophetic level like Prophet Angel.
That's right.
Except in the days of William Branham. That's what he said. This is Uebert who said it.
That's true.
Wow.
So he is honoring that person.
That's right.
That man honored me.
Yes,
That's right.
Most of you don't know how Prophet Uebert reached out to us. Prophet Uebert called on our prayer line because of problem that he was having.
right.
And when I heard that, I said, no, that's a lie. That's not Prophet Uebert.
He did.
It can't be calling on the prayer line
prayer line.
for me to pray for him. No, it's not Prophet Uebert. So I dismissed it. I said, no. Somebody trying to trap us and say all those kind of things. I was young at that time. Then I was invited by Nelson Mandela, the President Nelson Mandela, to be at his house. So we went there, my brother there. So we got to that place. On our way there, one of the people that was actually accompanying us is the one who said, why are you not answering the call, responding to Prophet Uebert? I said, what do you mean? He said, he told me he's calling your prayer line and you don't go on the line.
Wow.
I said, you mean all these months it was him? And I said, from there, from